Samsung has just launched the Galaxy M34 5G in India as its brand new offering under 20,000 rupees. Here's a quick unboxing and first look at the device. The slim box hints at the fact that there's not much in it. Inside, you'll find the phone and a paper sleeve which contains a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, documents and the SIM eject tool, but that's about it. This chunky smartphone feels well built and doesn't look very budget oriented with its glossy back panel and a similar camera module design as the Galaxy F54 or even the S23. The plastic frame is comfortable to hold, although the phone is heavy due to its 6000 mAh battery. The fingerprint sensor is in the power button, and at the bottom you even get a headphone jack. The Galaxy M34 5G is available in two variants, a 6GB RAM and 128GB configuration, which retails for 16,999 rupees, and an 8GB RAM and 128GB configuration for 18,999 rupees. Now, these are introductory prices inclusive of bank offers, according to Samsung. The Galaxy M34 5G is powered by an Exynos 1280 SoC. It features a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung claims that the battery should last 2 full days on a single charge, and the phone supports 25-watt fast charging with a compatible adapter. The phone boasts of a 50-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, which is not something we see very often at this price. It even comes with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a third macro camera. For selfies, you get a 13-megapixel front-facing camera in the display notch. Now, the camera app supports advanced night mode features, which Samsung refers to as nightography. Last but not least, the Galaxy M34 5G runs One UI 5.1 and is promised to get up to 4 generations of OS upgrades and up to 5 years of security updates. Now, this long commitment could very well sway many potential buyers towards it and away from its competition. That's all we have for this video. Let us know what you wish to see in the full review and if you want us to compare it with any other smartphone. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to Gadgets 360.